All right, coming up at 1 o'clock, the kids' candy drop. We're going to suspend pumpkin bombing for about a half an hour or so, 40 minutes. And 3 of our aircraft are going to go out and drop candy on the runway for the kids. If you have a child who is interested in going out and collecting candy, it's very important they pay attention to the folks alongside the runway. We're going to shut down flight operations, of course. If you pay attention to the folks in the bins on the side of the runway, make sure you stay off the runway until the candy drop and the aircraft are clear. If you need a bag, there will be bags. There's little brown bags we're going to hand out on the flight line, so if a child needs a bag to collect candy in, be happy to provide one of those for you. For 1 o'clock, at the flight line, if you have a child, or if you're just a big child that wants to go out there, we'll have the candy drop, and like I said, there'll be 3 aircraft full of goodies for the kids drop just about at 1 o'clock.
Hi, Elijah.
Jeff Lohan, thank you for your wonderful music. We look forward to having you do it as often as possible this afternoon. But if you want to give us a short song, Jeff, go ahead, maybe 3 minutes or something. If not, feel free to suspend us. I'll check with the museum directors about this. Take a break, an unexpected one, and have a good time. And by all means, come back with your wonderful guitar and singing music.
Up next, and then I said, okay, and then we started walking toward the end, and then he said, oh, he called me back and said, oh, I'm sorry, you're 20 minutes out.
Okay, let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing the pumpkin drop to a temporary pause, and it's time to get the little ones, children, out there by the runway, and you're going to find some flight line marshals waiting for you, and we, of course, want you to proceed with what they tell you. The children may be brought to be right at the edge of the runway, but not onto the runway until the flight line marshals have indicated it's okay to go out there.
and then get out of their way. It's a very heartwarming
Well, I
thing to
can go meet
see.
my
Those
husband
little
over here.
people out there near the runway but not on it. Thank you.
Yeah, I am in my back pocket. Todd is going to come and video it with his phone. I don't know dropping the camera. He'll try it.
Mommy, I'm not going to get the candy,
That's
okay?
all right.